In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the camera settings in Microsoft Teams to ensure that your video appears just as you intend it to during your meetings. Whether you're prepping for an important presentation or simply catching up with colleagues, having your camera set up correctly is always essential. First, let's open Microsoft Teams on your device. Once you're inside the application, you'll need to either join an ongoing meeting or start a new one of your own. It's vital to dive right into a meeting environment because this is where you'll be able to see real-time changes to your video settings. Once you're in the meeting, direct your attention to the meeting toolbar, usually located at the bottom or top of your screen depending on your version and setup. Here, you'll find a trio of small dots. This is the More Actions menu. Clicking these dots will reveal a list of additional settings and controls available to you in Teams. From this menu, we'll need to move to Device Settings. This section is a gateway to all things hardware related, including audio and video inputs. Go ahead and select that option. Now take a close look at the camera preview. It's really helpful to have this visual cue available as it allows you to see exactly how others will view your video feed. If you notice that the image appears mirrored and that's not ideal, don't worry. There's usually a toggle option provided right within Teams to disable this mirrored image, enabling you to present yourself as you naturally appear. If such a toggle doesn't exist or is insufficient for your needs, you might have more advanced options. For a more customized video experience, consider using your camera software. Many cameras come equipped with their own dedicated software, which grants additional control over image orientation and enhancements. If flipping the image isn't possible within Teams, these proprietary programs are the way to go. Alternatively, updating your camera driver can also solve many hidden issues or anomalies that affect your camera's performance, including the mirrored video. Updated drivers often include fixes and new features that can improve the quality of your camera and offer you better control. If you're still looking to explore more advanced functionalities, consider third-party applications designed specifically for webcams. These are readily available online and can provide a variety of features, allowing you to gain complete control over your video setup. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll have more control over how you appear on camera during your Microsoft Teams meetings. This can make a big difference in how you engage and communicate, making sure you're looking your best every time. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to leave questions or comments below. Happy conferencing!